At St Helena Place, construction has progressed throughout 2022 with Stage 2A civil works nearing completion. All services are now installed, with roads now ready to be asphalted. This will be followed by retaining walls being constructed in early 2023. St Helena Place will hit a major milestone in February 2023, where homes are anticipated to begin construction. The first group of homes are expected to be completed in early 2024. We look forward to bringing our community to life. St Helena Place, our community, our home. To find out more, contact our sales team on 1800 900 300 or visit stelenaplace.com.au.